Okay, your good name?
Alka.
Karishma.
Preeti.
Shamili.
Okay, so the game rules is very simple. Okay, we have 4 biscuit packets here. Okay, so when I say start, music will be on. Okay, biscuit ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Got it? Okay, so you will have to open it and do you want to take help of the table or you? Yeah, please. So please encourage them with a huge round of applause, clap, and can we have a music? Okay. So open ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ವಿನ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Guys, come on, please clap for them.
I will get slow now, so I'll start.
Okay.
They are going to win because see, they have a very good and I have a good team. No, we are double. No, 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 it's not possible. We can't give zero. Come here.
We love our hair color. I love my brown. I love my burgundy. ನನ್ನ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೇವಲ ಗಾರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಕಲರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ಸ್. ನೋ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ.